The story I'm about to tell you is 100% true, and I don't tell this story to brag, but to show the power of what one email in your email marketing efforts can do for you. You know, I talk a lot on these videos about the power of email marketing, and once you have a professional demo and a good website to showcase it on, that email marketing is the best way to grow a sustainable, profitable voiceover business, a full-time voiceover business. Another thing I talk about a lot is that in some of the downtimes and in some of the in-between times when you're doing your voiceover work, to switch gears and do outreach to as many people as possible. And the main way that I always, preach on here is through email marketing. Up until recently, my biggest single job that I had ever gotten from voiceover was for a regional car wash named Quick Quack. And it was for a couple of 15-second spots, and it paid me $2,500. So that was my single biggest job as far as, single payout for any job that I've ever gotten. And before we go any further, I just want to introduce myself. If you're new here, my name is Mike Hathcote. I'm a full-time voice actor. I run a training program called the Voiceover Blueprint, and this here accompanying YouTube channel as well, where the goal is to give you as much actionable insights and tips and tricks to grow and sustain a profitable voiceover career. And every Tuesday at 6 p.m., I host a free webinar where you can join and learn the steps to get into voice acting, as well as find out some things that could possibly sidetrack you on your career, plus just a general Q&A so you can ask any questions you have about voiceover. And just for showing up for the webinar, I'll also throw in a copy of my book, The Voiceover Blueprint, which is the digital download as well as the audiobook, plus 4 free additional gifts just for showing up to the webinar. So if you want to hang out for a little bit, click that link down below in the description and pin comment and sign up for free, and I'll see you on Tuesday. All right, back to story time. So about a month ago, I was doing some outreach. My assistant is the one who normally does this kind of thing, but I was having a little slower day. And because I practice what I preach, I was doing some outreach via email. So I came across a website when I was doing my searches and sent my email, my typical email introduction where I introduce myself, I comment on some of their stuff on their website, a video or whatever, and submitted my link to my website so that they could learn more about me and hear my stuff and hopefully be added to their roster. Within about 15 minutes, the person I reached out to replied back and said, "Sure, we'd love to have you. Sound great. We'll put you on the roster, fill out this form, blah, blah, blah." So we went back and forth kind of getting me set up on their roster. Then the very last email that he sent to me was, "Hey, by the way, I know you're brand new on the roster, but we sent out this casting earlier today before you reached out, but here it is if you want to go ahead and apply for it." The company that this was for, that the spots were for, was a very large insurance company that you've definitely heard of. I can't tell you what it is because there's a non-disclosure until it comes out, but very large insurance company. So I did the audition, sent it in, and forgot it because, like I always say on here, whenever you send off an audition, don't get in your head about whether or not they liked it or listened to it or whatever. Just send it off and forget it, because if you book it, you're going to know you booked it. They're going to reach back out. A lot of people will get in their own head and kind of, ruminate on, whether or not they like the audition. And some people will even try to reach back out to the client to see, what the status is. Never do that. Just send it and forget it. So about a week later, I get an email reply from this guy who I originally reached out to, and he added me to the roster. And it turns out I booked that audition that he sent me. So the original price or the original compensation for this particular set of spots was $3,000. So right there, that already beat, my original, my biggest single job ever. So I was pretty stoked on that. But after the sessions and they wanted to add a few extra spots, the total compensation for this job was $4,000 because the session went a little longer because we had more spots to record, and it was a directed session. It was about an hour and a half directed session for these spots with the client, the end client, the insurance company, the engineer, and everybody else, and about an hour and a half, and the job was done. So long story short, had I not sent that one single email to that one specific guy, that job would have never happened for me. Someone else would have booked that job. So all that to tell you that each email that you send out is special. Whether or not someone replies to it or not should not be your concern. Keep doing the thing every single day that you can. Send those emails out. Hopefully you've got good bait, that people will like and want to add you to the roster or agency or whatever your purpose is for sending the email. But keep doing that, because every email could turn into, like in my case, my biggest job ever. Well, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Once again, I want to remind you about that Tuesday night webinar that's coming up every Tuesday night, actually, at 6 p.m. Pacific time. Once again, you're going to get a copy of the Blueprint book that will be the audiobook as well as the digital PDF just for showing up. And if you like these videos on how to do voiceover, then drop a like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. That's the best way to help us on our little channel here, and hope to see you soon. And since this job came from email marketing, I did a whole video on how to market like a pro using email marketing, because any full-time professional voice actor is going to tell you that email marketing is the main way to generate business. So if you want to check that out, click this box right there and enjoy.